I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you.
Good morning, vlog people. It is Saturday, and I'm about to make some of the best pancakes ever in the history of the world. So let's do it. Get yourself a bowl.
So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away.
I did my makeup and I'm liking it. It is a little different. I did try a different shade of the Ilia liquid powders, more of like a purpley shade. I don't know if it's my color. I don't know if it's my favorite color, but I'm kind of enjoying it. I'm wearing my ghost earrings that I got from Target. I have these on my LTK if you guys want to pick these up. They might even be on sale, who knows. It's almost Halloween. And then I'm just wearing a super casual look. We are gonna go grocery shopping, so that. Ooh, and then let me show you my hair. I did my hair like this. My baby hasn't said anything about it yet, so hopefully he says something. Thank you.
We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you have mine. You and I wanna leave everything
I don't want to do a bouquet.
if you wanted to. Promise you we will be alright if it's you and I, you and I. I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out.
Just left Trader Joe's, had a very good experience. Saw some really cute pumpkin decorations I really liked. I actually voted. I voted for number 17, which is the ghost from Mario. I don't know what that ghost is called. I did because, hello, I'm wearing ghosts on my ears. I have to vote for that one, and it was so cute. And we've been playing Mario Party a lot, so it just kind of fit the vibe, you know? 82 degrees out, Florida. Like, what? Hello, it's fall. Let's put all these groceries away. These are my favorite plantain chips, and I haven't had them in a while, so I got one little bag. We used to get a lot more, so I think that's pretty good on my part.
You want french fries?
Yes, I do. This is delicious.
Do you want to make those before you film?
Get in a car and drive someplace far. Yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you have mine. You and
So yummy. These are the chicken and chili tamales. Now they don't have like a ton of protein, so we actually make like extra chicken and we make rice, but they're really good. Caesar salad. 2 bags of the dark chocolate peanut butter cups. These are so yummy. I had a friend over, she really loved them too, because they are so yummy. Pink lemonade, they don't always have this, but it's so good. I will say though, it does have like quite a bit of sugar, so it's not for all the time. Let's start over. Thank you, chef extraordinaire. Are waiting for the burgers. They're almost done. The fries are also almost done. I'll show you guys the finished result.
You